Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you some knitting ideas for this summer. So let's get started. So the first project, it's actually really good if you are a beginner, and this is the oversized scrunchie. I really like how messy it looks, and I really think it looks really nice with a ponytail or some braids, because I think for a bun I wouldn't go for an oversized scrunchie because I think it will cover all the hair. So yeah, I also really like the color combo, so yeah, that's a plus. Then we have, I don't know if I can call this a scrunchie, but it's like half of a scrunchie, and then you have this little bow that you can tie here on the back, and I think that looks really nice. I really like the detail of the little ribbon thing, and I think it's really in. I love the colors as well. I really like to see yellow and blue together, so yeah, that's really cool. And then this one, so I never seen this one before. I don't know where it's been, but this was the first time that I saw this. So this is basically a really long knitted rectangle, and as well really good for a first project. And I really like to see this with the braids, and it's really cool. And also you can play around with all different colors. I don't know, and when I look at it, just reminds me of like a summer vibe, so really nice as well. Then coming to the back section, so usually we just see more like crochet bags. So yeah, so I have three different types of bags, and the first one, I really like the shape of it. I think it's a really petite, really cool. I like how they play with colors. I like that it's a really simple design. I really love it. And then we have a more like complex thing that is, I don't know how to do this type of stitch, but it's beautiful. I love this effect that it gives, and I also love the color. And one thing that I noticed is that doesn't have any edging, so doesn't have a rib or an I-cord edge or anything, and I really like this kind of unfinished look. So yeah. And then I found this really interesting idea. I never thought of it. I know that there is a pattern for this. I will leave everything below, and this is a swatch bag. I never think of it. I have so many swatches hanging around, and this is great. So then we cannot talk about like projects for summer and don't talk about the bikini. So if you saw my previous video, I really like those plain triangle, just simple shape bikini tops. And what I really like about this one as well is the yarn that they use. So I think it's a mohair. I really love this. I also love the color. Then we have the Bolero part. So I really like Boleros. I think they give a really nice look, and if you have like an off-the-shoulder top, I think this is just beautiful. And then I bring to you two types of Boleros. So we have one that is more like with a lightweight yarn and more see-through, and I really like the sleeves as well. I like that they open a little bit on the cuffs. So then we have this one. This is actually called Shrug, but I don't know, this just gives me Bolero vibes. So this one is with a more like thick yarn, and again, I really love the color. I think green is really nice. So to finish, I love backless tops, and I think they are great for spring and summer as well. and in this case it's actually a backless sweater, and I really like that it has like this little strap so you can tie on the back, and I think that looks really cool and really chic. So then shorts. This is the last idea, and actually I'm knitting some shorts, but it's taking me a while because I chose to knit the shorts with a really small needle. But yeah, I'm hoping that it would look great, so let's see. I really like the ribbing effect on these ones, and I really like that they are not too tight to your legs, and yeah, so you have space, you are comfortable, and I think it looks nice. And then we have this one. What I really like this one is the detail of the waistband. I'm currently obsessed with like a folded ribbing, and I like that this is knitted with the really small needles, and yeah, it creates a really nice ribbing. So I think this one is 1x1, and then it's so tiny. I love it. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you can find some inspiration for your knitting projects this summer, and as always, don't forget to give a thumbs up, to comments, and to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!